What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to hide your liked posts on Twitter. First you need to know that if you like any tweets on Twitter, they will be shown publicly on the like section on your profile page. Go on left upper side, click on profile, and as you can see on my right side, likes, here I have it. Now for this feature cannot be turned off on the platform, but what you can do is to create a new dummy account. By dummy, I mean you can create a secondary account with no connection to your main account. You can use the account for viewing, following, or liking those tweets that you don't want in your main account. That's the only way to like tweets like an unknown user on Twitter without publishing your identity. For example, I have created this dummy account. Thanks guys for watching, don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.